ever wondered why people are ignoring you? That why people are not really interested in talking to you? Sometimes you might be texting someone and they might not reply you back, and sometimes you are in a group discussion with your friends in that gang, but then you don't get enough response from them in that conversation. So I'm going to tell you what are the reasons for it and why people are not ready to talk to you. And at the end, I'm going to give you a best tip where you can make those people talk to you even though they are not interested in you. Hello there, what's up people? It's me Jai, watching me on the Expound. If you like my work, make sure you like this video and subscribe my channel, and because this will give me a motivation in making more videos for you. In this video, I'm not going to tell you some of the fake theories or something. I'm not going to make up some of the fake theories and then say to you, but from the personal experience and what I have learned from it. Okay, so the first thing which you should know is that everybody is different. Everybody's character, everybody's thinking, everything is different. You are different from other people. Let's take an example of friendship. Here, when you're talking to your close friend for the first time when you're meeting them, obviously you are not going to start talking to them like you have already met them before. You're meeting for the first time, you have never known that person, so obviously you will be quite hesitant and you won't be that much excited to talk to them also. So at this time, when you slowly start talking to that person, when you get to know what are their thoughts, then you feel that I'm able to connect with her. So when you normally start talking to your close friend, you will realize that that person also will have the similar thought like you. That's how we become close, just by sharing our thoughts, just because we feel the things in a similar way. So this is a reason that if you ever feel like people are not interested in you, it's not your fault, okay? You're not doing any wrong thing or you're not doing any mistakes. It's just that you're not able to connect with them, okay? The next point, which is the second point, and that's quite kind of a sad one, but that is the reality. I have to tell you that there are some people who will come and, be with you or talk to you only if you have a specific kind of a good background, okay? Just like, if you have many facilities with you. Suppose if you are able to buy them anything or buy them whatever they are asking you, then they will obviously come and talk to you. But suppose, just take an example that I am so poor and I don't have any money so that I can spend that for my friends, then they will be not interested because I am not helpful for them. But on the other side, if I am rich and if I am wearing short dress and I am going to clubs, I am drinking alcohol and then smoking weed, everything, they will be kind of quite interested because I am kind of unique and I am able to give whatever my friends are asking. So this also might be the reason why people are not interested in talking to you, just because you are not according to the expectations based on the background or based on wealth or whatever it is. Now I want you to mention some of the problems why you were not able to talk to the person whom you want to talk to in the comment. And the next point is that there will be some restrictions, okay? It's not that everybody has these restrictions, but this point is quite kind of specific, okay? So when you want to talk to them, they will want to talk, but according or because of some of the situation or because of some of the other reason, they might not talk to you, just like family or just like some other issues will be going on with them, and they might not interested in talking to you just because of that reason. And the next point is that fear. Yes, many people are ignoring you or many people are not ready to talk to you just because they have fear in their head. Okay, suppose some people are coming and talking to me, and then if I say something harsh to them, then they will never come and talk to me again, okay? They will never even think about the topic of talking to me, because this is the fear which is in every people's mind. So when they are trying to talk to that person, they always have this fear that what will be the response of that person. What will that person think? What if I don't impress that person? So this is also one reason why people are not interested to talk to you, just because they are scared and they have fear within themselves, and they don't have much kind of a self-confidence also. Now I would like to share you some of my story from my school where I have experienced all this, which is that, in my school there will be people who are mostly Malayalis and mostly people who talks Hindi, okay. I am the only one who talks Tamil, okay, and I know English obviously, but people are more comfortable with the person who talks their own native language. I think this is the most, which was a barrier for me in talking with the people. So they just thought that, why should we talk to them? Yeah, she is not in our gang, and they don't even include me in their gang also. So this was the reason that I am not thinking like them, and I am not from the similar background as that people. So this was the reason which I also felt that I was kind of separated from other people. So if I'm asking for a help or something, obviously they will provide just because I'm asking them help. But on the other side, if I want to spend time with them, if I want to chat with them, okay, but I can't do that. But if some other person who is Malayalis or some Hindi person is going and talking to them, obviously they will accept that. But I never felt sad for it, just because people don't have a similar thought as you. You cannot think yourself as less worthy, because you are the only one who know your worth, and it's not necessary all the time that you have to prove that to people just because they should come and talk to you. And sometimes I also used to pretend so that I can be acceptable. So never pretend, okay, never act like any other person. Just be you. If you're being yourself, then God will send some or the other people who are similar like you. So this is what I believe also. And never change yourself for anybody else. Never consider yourself less worthy, because you know your worth, you know what you're capable of. Just like nature don't wait for anybody else, you also should not wait for anybody else. Just like sunrise at the correct time and sunset at its own time, it will never wait for anybody. Just because a person is having a bad time or the time is not enough for them, the sunrise or set, it won't differ. It will do its job. Just like that, you also have to do your job. Regardless of whatever difficulties you're having, you should do you. Now it's time for a bonus tip where you can make some of the other people talk to you. So how do you do that? All you can do is that just start with a conversation which that people might like. As I have already told that you cannot pretend to be someone else, but if you really wanna, if you badly wanna talk to that person, you should try this method. Just start with a conversation about what they like. So find out whatever things is liked by that person, and just start a conversation with that. I hope that it will actually be a good conversation after that, and I wish you all the luck for it. So I hope I have given your answers for the question that why people are ignoring you and why people are hesitant to talk to you and what all the reasons for it. I hope you got my answer. Please do tell me something in the comment section regarding this video about whether it have helped you or not. Thank you so much. Until the next video.